Giving you the latest update as security forces continue intensive intelligence-based counter-terrorism operations across Balochistan under Operation Al-Azm, targeting terrorist networks and their facilitators. According to security sources, a successful operation in Mastung resulted in the killing of 4 terrorists belonging to Fitna al-Hindustan. A large cache of weapons, ammunition and motorcycles used by the terrorists were also recovered during the operation. Security sources said several other terrorists were injured, while a number of suspected facilitators were taken into custody for further investigation. Search and clearance operations remain underway, with security forces maintaining strict surveillance across the area. Officials say intelligence-based operations have been intensified following recent terrorist activity in Mastung and will continue until terrorism is eliminated and lasting peace and stability are restored in the region.